Our other top story tonight, the potential merger between Yuma Regional Medical Center and LifePoint Health is no longer moving forward. Talks of the partnership drew a lot of community concern as it would have changed the hospital's status as a nonprofit organization. Our Adam Klepp has been following this one for us. He brings us the latest.
And I just spoke with YRMC CEO Dr. Trenchel, and he says just because this merger with LifePoint didn't go through doesn't mean the hospital won't continue to explore their options.
We may look at a partnership again at some point in the future. In fact, I believe we most likely will.
YRMC exercised its right to exit the potential agreement. The proposed partnership with LifePoint drew a lot of community concern at a public meeting in October.
They have stockholders. Well, our community hospital has stockholders too. And those are all those folks that are sitting here.
We are now moving into a monopolistic healthcare organization with no independence, and that should not stand in this community.
Dr. Trenchel and the LifePoint representative said a merger would be beneficial for Yuma, saying they would be able to expand behavioral health services, become a tax-paying entity, and provide a multi-$100-million fund for the community. LifePoint addressed the announcement in an email statement to me saying, "We are very disappointed that the Yuma Regional Medical Center Board has decided not to move forward with our proposed partnership after unanimously selecting LifePoint as a partner earlier this year." Trenchel did not comment one way or the other if he was disappointed that the merger did not go through.
You know, my role is to execute the will of the board, and that's what I do as CEO.
And despite the board's unanimous decision to not enter into affiliation with LifePoint Health, Dr. Trenchel would not rule out trying to partner with them again in the future.
You know, we continue to believe that LifePoint was a cultural fit for the organization. We continue to believe LifePoint's a high-quality organization.
I also spoke over the phone to Jeffrey Polson, who's the chairman of the Hospital District Board 1. He says other than the press release, he has no other information and doesn't quite know what this means for their relationship with the hospital going forward. In Yuma, Adam Klepp, News 11.